Time for cabin battle. Yeah. Should be 2 more people left if I remember. Which they go up there. Wait, hold up. Wasn't that bitch inside that box I left last time? Dumb broad. I told your bitch ass to stay in the fucking box. Oh. That's not throwing shit, man. Come get a piece. Come on, die. About time. Oh, come on, man. I don't need this right now. I gotta get to my cabin battle. I gotta have my battle in the cabin. You know what? Where am I? You know what? Never mind. I'm just popping full of hang ammo. I got enough. About fucking time.
Follow me.
Don't got much time on my hands. I don't know how long that cabin battle gonna last.
Wait.
Yeah, you stay right there. You didn't stay in the fucking box when I told you to. Alright, now follow dumb broad. Alright, see what we got here.
Welcome.
Do I got any incendiary grenades on me?
What are you selling?
Let's see, TMP, yep, let that go.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get that spinel for now.
Come back anytime.
Alright, time for cabin battle. Alright. Uh-oh, we're surrounded. Let's camp inside the cabin and have a battle.
Hate to say it, but we're sandwiched all right. Quick, in that cabin!
A nice Jill sandwich. That sounds delicious.
Leon!
Wow. How did you not see him,
Small
Leon?
world, eh?
Not really.
I see that the president...
Yeah, skip that scene. Get to the battle. Collect all goodies. Camp outside. Young stairs right here. Yeah, you bang. I collect goodies. Let's see if I missed anything. Okay, I think that's it for downstairs. Upstairs, let's see what we got here. Flash. Grenade. Ah, that grenade sucks. Don't need no freaking incinerator grenade. That grenade sucks. At least I got plenty of health. Alright. I'm gonna camp up here. Got my Punisher. I can punch a hole to 2 people. Now we play the waiting game. We wait for motherfuckers to come up here to challenge me. Let the cabin battle begin. Okay, Lewis. Dang, let someone get by. Alright. God dang it. Why come like that looking at me? Pop, 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 pop. Getting too close. I'm gonna help Lewis out. Alright, back to my handgun. Get downstairs. Oh, snap. Back up, back up. Stay down. Come on, Lewis. You can do it. I would help you, Lewis, but, you know, I'm trying to kill him motherfuckers on my own. Flagger thingy. Die. You know what? Fuck it. Shotgun time. All you motherfuckers going down. Stay there. Oh, now you come upstairs? Oh! Smart ass motherfucker. Take all this, thank you. Reload right quick. Come on. Oh, I should have been headshot. Oh, what the fuck, man? No! Shit, 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 man, damn. Get downstairs. No one upstairs. I gotta have him guard my back. Die. Die. Stubborn, motherfucker. Stop being stubborn. And die. I'll take this money, thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Oh dang, I missed one. Pop. Oh snap, I'm back. Oh, don't hit me now, fool. Flagger? Nope. Usually go and drop dead. Thanks for the money. That's a good boy, you dropped it. No stubborn fools. Yeah, I said that too at first. They kept coming, they kept coming. Yeah, take your time. I'm not in any rush. You know, 7 minutes done passed already. Oh, thank you for giving up. Alright, check outside, see if anybody died. Okay, nobody died. Didn't drop anything. Weak. Yeah, nothing in that tree. Hell, man. Well, at least I got a lot of ammo. Shotgun ammo anyway. TMP ammo sucks, man. Why do they keep giving me ammo for that? Why can't it be regular shotgun, handgun ammo, sniper ammo?
Welcome.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this TMP ammo and incinerator grenades.
What are you selling? Is that
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
Thank you. What are you buying?
What do you got?
Come back anytime.
I'm gonna save. I'll check it out next time. Reload. Organize. Alright. Get everything all nice and looking good. Everything look like shit. Alright, right, chill. Yeah, let's do it like this. Yeah, nice and clean and good looking. Time to save. Got a good looking cash case. All goodies and money. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.